How to delete friends in Invincible. Hello everyone, welcome back to Crazy Gamer. If you are looking for a way to delete or remove friends from your friend list in Invincible game, then the process is quite easy, so let's dive in. First things first, launch open the Invincible game on your device, which can be your mobile device or tablets or even iPads. Once you're inside this campaign section of your game, go ahead and tap on the Friends tab on the right hand side corner. Now, you'll see your friend list where you can select a friend and tap on the red minus icon right next to them to delete them from your friend list. In the pop-up, confirm that you want to delete the friend by tapping on yes, and you'll be able to delete the friend from your friend list. So that's how you easily do it. Repeat this step for every other player you want to delete. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.